Good morning, guys. A blessed Tuesday morning to all. Andito tayo ngayon sa Forest Lake where Mom and Ate Miriam were interred. So, anyway, naalala ko lang sinabi ni Daddy. I think it was 6 years ago, 2019, when we went home here in Zamboanga City to have a belated celebration of his 84th birthday. Sabi niya sa akin when we were talking, kami lang dalawa, sabi niya, what he is proud most about Mommy is are three things daw during their life together as husband and wife. Sabi niya, three important things that he is proud of about Mommy. Sabi niya, number one, Mommy during their 45 years of blissful, although sometimes chaotic marriage, didn't nag him for money. Nalala niya, never, even once, kinukulit siya ni Mommy sa pera. So sabi niya, I'm very proud of your mom. Never in our 45 years together na your mom nag me about money. Number two, sabi niya, he is proud of my mom is because in their 45 years together, Mom never borrowed any money from another person. Yes, sabi niya, siguro nalala mo when you were in elementary or high school, sugi si Mommy sa DepEd accredited loan companies. Nalala ko si Mommy dati. Pag-uwian, oy, na-releasean ako ng cheque. We can go to the Pueblo and buy whatever you want. Buy your bike, Ray-Ban, whatever. Ubusin natin tong 10,000 during that time. 10,000 ating maximum pwede mong i-loan. So, bis kami, punta kami sa bahay. Me and my brother, tigisa kaming bike. Tapos sabi niya, buy the original Ray-Ban. Nalala ko noon, yung original Ray-Ban, the black one, was only around 300 pesos. Sabi niya yan. And Mommy is happy to see us, no? Being also beneficiaries of yung loan niya from DepEd accredited companies, no? Number three, sabi niya, and this is Dad used to say, told me that if Mommy didn't nag him for money, but Mommy was a nagger for success. Doesn't want him to fail. Kaya when Daddy was studying, kinukulit siya ni Mommy to study hard and do his best and become a lawyer. So, in short, sabi niya, three things. He is proud of Mommy, never nag him for money, never borrowed money from another person, and number three, nagger for success. Doon daw magaling si Mommy. Okay, guys, thank you so much. And dalawin ko lang yung puntod ni Mommy and Ate Miriam before I go back to Luzon this weekend. Thank you. Have a blessed day, everyone.